Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Yamaha soundbar remote suddenly stops responding and volume or sound controls no longer work, it can feel frustrating when everything seemed completely normal before. Sometimes the Yamaha soundbar powers on but ignores button presses, while other times the remote works only occasionally and then suddenly stops responding again. A problem like this can happen because of battery issues, signal interruptions, blocked sensors, or temporary connection glitches that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are few simple things worth checking because many Yamaha soundbar remote issues can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a Yamaha soundbar remote not working or responding. Try these. Step 1. Check the batteries inside the Yamaha soundbar remote if buttons suddenly stop responding. Step 2. Point the Yamaha soundbar remote directly toward the Yamaha soundbar without blockage. Step 3. Clean the front sensor area on the Yamaha soundbar if response feels inconsistent. Step 4. Restart the Yamaha soundbar briefly if the remote still does not respond normally. Step 5. Reinsert or replace batteries in the Yamaha soundbar remote if delay continues. Step 6. Test the Yamaha soundbar remote again and confirm the Yamaha soundbar responds properly.